Holy crud. So, okay, let's go back a few months. A few months ago, I decided to gather up a package of 3D prints and send it off to the YouTubers MoreJStew. And so, I sent it off and I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know when they were get it. They're not very responsible with how often they open up their fan mail. And so I didn't know what to expect. A few months went by and I'd kind of forgotten about it. And suddenly my subscriptions just shot up and I couldn't figure out why. And then I remembered that JStew maybe did the fan mail video. And it turns out they did. And so from that, I have gained almost 200 subscribers. My channel has hit over 200 subscribers because a bunch of JStew fans saw that fan mail video and came over to my channel. And that is crazy. I just want to thank you all for all the support that you guys have given. This is a major boost to my channel. Also, one channel reached out to me and wanted me to do a shout out for their channel. And it's the channel Drawing is Life. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Drawing is Life does some videos about some drawing tutorials and some other drawing videos. And he did a shout out for me. So go subscribe to his channel. And yeah, go do that. You can do that right now. And then you can come back to this video in a moment. So, this is the 3D printing channel. Welcome, everybody, all you new people. I want you guys to, in the comments below, let me know what I should 3D print. I also have a box of copper-colored 3D printing filament that I'd like to start testing. So let me know what ideas I should print, because there's lots of possibilities, because 3D printing is practically endless. I have two 3D printers. So I want to hear those ideas. Until next time, bye.